Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on Winlator. We will begin by ensuring your Winlator environment is properly configured, making sure all necessary drivers are available for smooth operation. Then, we will walk through the controller pairing process, connecting your device quickly and efficiently. Finally, you will learn how to map and test your controls within Winlator, ready for an enhanced gaming experience. Before we connect anything, let's prepare your setup properly. First, activate Bluetooth on your Android device and ensure it is visible for pairing. Next, open Winlator and familiarize yourself with its input settings, as we will return here shortly. A stable device running Android 11 or newer, with at least 6 GB of RAM, is recommended for the best experience. This preparation ensures a smooth connection and minimizes potential issues later on. Now, let's pair your PS4 controller directly to your Android device. Hold down the Share button and the PlayStation button on your controller at the same time for about 3 seconds. The light bar on the controller will begin flashing rapidly, indicating it is in pairing mode. Open your Android device's Bluetooth settings and select Wireless Controller from the list of available devices. You should see a solid light on your controller once successfully connected. With your controller paired, it's time to configure Winlator for gameplay. Launch the Winlator application and open the specific container you wish to use. Inside the container, navigate to Winlator's Input Settings or Control Mapping menu. Here, you will systematically assign each button and analog stick from your PS4 controller to the desired actions within the emulated environment. Test each input carefully to ensure everything responds correctly before starting your game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.